Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about polarization and electric susceptibility. Clear? So, in the previous video, we studied about polar and non-polar dielectric. Okay, first of all, we are to be discussing about the polarization in the non-polar and then polar. Okay, so in the case of non-polar dielectric, the molecules are to be similar in size so that the net dipole moment is 0. Clear? That means the positive and negative centers are to be coincided. That means we can say like that, positive, negative. Positive and negative centers are to be coincided. What about the external electric field? The external electric field is here. Inside, is there any dipole moment formation? There is no dipole moment formation here. So that what about the electric field inside it is? Electric field inside it also be 0. Clear? Now what we are going to study means we are going to apply an external electric field. In that external electric field, if this non-polar dielectric material is kept, what will be happened? Okay, so there is an external electric field. These electric field will be passes through the dielectric. The electric field will be passes through the dielectric. It is, somebody have some doubt? The electric field only passes through a conductor. Not like that. The electric field will be passes through the dielectric. So here, in the absence of external electric field, positive and negative centers are coincided. Okay, but this you see that these electric field, external electric field attract what? This positive and negative center. So that this molecule becomes stretched. That means you see like that this molecule will be changed like this. The negative centers is coming to here and the positive center is coming to this side. Okay. So like this all the molecule due to the stretching, due to the attraction of this electric field, this molecule is to be stretched. Okay. So what you can see that this side all be negative and this side will be positive. So this negative and positive centers are separated by a small distance. So there is a dipole moment. So you can see that there is a dipole moment is to be formed along the direction of electric field, external electric field. Okay. Dipole moment generated along the direction of external electric field. Okay, so there is a dipole moment is to be formed here. So what about this dipole moment? These dipole moment will be produces an electric field, but it is not to be equal in direction. So here you see that this net electric field inside this material is not equal to 0 because there is an external electric field is in this direction. So you see that here all the positive. This will produce an internally electric field is in this direction. Okay. So internal electric field will be in the opposite direction, but external electric field and internal electric field, internally generated electric field are not in equal amount. Okay, so that net electric field inside this non-polar dielectric is 0. Clear? So there is a dipole moment formation is here. So we can say that this process we will call a polarization. Okay, so polarization is to be happen here. So we have to be defined after we will discuss about the polar and we will define it what is polarization. Okay, polar dielectric. So in the case of polar dielectric, what about the molecule itself? There is a net dipole moment. But what about the here? You see that. But these molecules are randomly oriented. So you see that there is a negative and positive. So this molecule like this, negative, positive, here negative, positive. What is meant by randomly oriented? You see that this molecule positive center is here and another molecule positive center is nearby it. So the net dipole moment is what? Is to be 0 there. So all the cases like that. Okay, so due to this, the external electric field is what here? Here the external electric field is to be 0. So the net dipole moment is what? Net dipole moment is 0 here. Okay, so that is about the case of polar dielectric in the absence of external electric. This is the material and previously discussed about the molecule. Okay, now we will going to discuss about what will be happen an external electric field is applied. Okay, so there is an external electric field is to be applied. So in that external electric field, there is a dielectric is to be placed. This dielectric is polar dielectric we are going to be placed. Clear? This is the external electric field. Okay. So what will be happen? These molecules, negative centers are attracted towards this side, positive centers are attracted towards this side. So it is just what? Twisted. It is to be what? Reoriented. That twisting will be called it as reoriented. That means like this it will be happen. Negative here, positive here. Negative here, positive here. So negative here, positive here. Negative here, positive here. Negative here, positive here. Okay. So what will be happen? There is a dipole moment formation here. Positive and negative centers are separated. But now it is not to be randomly oriented, so there is a net dipole moment is to be there here. Net dipole moment formation. Net dipole moment is not equal to 0 here. Okay, what about these dipole form an electric field in which direction? In this direction, opposite direction. The external electric field is there in this direction, so that there is an electric field. But internally generated electric field is not in the equal amount, so that there is a net electric field is there inside it, not equal to be 0. Clear? This is the case of polar dielectric. So you see that there is a dipole, net dipole moment formation when an electric field applied. So there is a polarization also here. So now we can go into define about polarization. What is polarization? Polarization means it is to be dipole moment per unit volume. Dipole moment per unit volume. That is about the polarization. Clear? So here we need to say how much dipole moment is to be generated in this volume. Okay. So here more dipole moment is there in this, more polarization. Okay. Polarization means the formation of electric dipole moment. Clear? Or electric dipole. So if you see that here more dipole moment is there in the unit volume, more polarization. The same meaning is to be here also. Okay. Then we have to be there the polarization. We can write a formula. Polarization P is equal to, is directly proportional to electric field. That is a vector. Why? You see here, if the electric field, external electric field is to be increases, the stretching will be, this is to be more distance separate. Okay, so the stretching will be increases. Stretching will be increases. What about the distance between them? Initially it will be some distance here. You see that again it will be distance will be increases. Okay, so this 2a dipole moment P is equal to Q into 2a. So the dipole moment is increases when the distance is increases. Clear? So that what will be, we can say that the polarization P is directly proportional electric field. The electric field increases, stretching will be increases. That is the distance between the positive and negative centers increases, dipole moment increases. Dipole moment increases, the meaning is that polarization increases. Okay, and we have to make it to be an equality by inserting a constant. That constant we will be call it as electric susceptibility. This term is to be the electric susceptibility. Okay, this is the constant. The polarization is a vector quantity. Its direction is to be similar to the external electric field. Clear? So you can see that the dipole moment direction is along the same direction of the externally electric field. Okay, clear? So we have to define susceptibility. From this, what is susceptibility? Susceptibility is equal to this E come to here. So P E. So you will get like this. P by E. What is P? Polarization. And what is E? E is the external electric field. So susceptibility psi is a constant for a material. That is the amount of polarization per unit electric field. Okay. So susceptibility psi is the amount of polarization per unit electric field. Clear? This is about the polarization and electric susceptibility.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please put like.